cheesecake cups. These are so freaking cute. I make these all the time. These are no bake, so you don't have to bake anything. So you're going to start off with your classic Philly cream cheese. Okay, don't skimp, don't get any other brand. You want the Philly cream cheese. You're going to add that to your KitchenAid. You're going to add your powdered sugar. We're going to add heavy whipping cream, and we're going to add like a tablespoon of sour cream plus a little bit of vanilla. You can use vanilla paste if you like, and that is the base. Okay, that's the base. Then you're going to decide what flavor. Today I'm doing a lemon, I'm doing a strawberry, and I'm doing Oreo. So I'm using a piping bag. You want to take your piping bag and get it in something sturdy. So I'm using a glass pitcher. This is a big piping bag. This is like a 22-inch piping bag because the 3 blocks of cream cheese make quite a bit when you're just doing small little 2-inch or 3-inch little individual appetizer size cups. So once you get your filling into your bag, you want to push it down, cut the tip of your bag depending on the size of your cups. Just snip that right off. Depending on how loose it is, how stiff it is, will determine how much of a tip you want to cut off. For the strawberry, the filling is strawberry jam. You can also use freeze-dried strawberries, okay? Now for the lemon, you're going to use fresh lemon zest and fresh lemon juice. Okay, and then for your Oreo, you're just crushing up Oreos and putting it in the batter. Now for your crust, I like to use Biscoff. You can use it with butter or without butter. Here I'm just filling it without butter. I've just crushed the Biscoff up and filled the bottom of the containers, and then I'm going to pipe in my filling. If you use the butter in the Biscoff, it's much more decadent. It's got a whole rich taste to it. But if you don't want the calories, just skip it. Now, when you finish, add a little decoration on top, and they're so cute.